What is going on, guys? Josh White here, and today you're watching another JDub Twins episode. So we're going to be talking about Turtle Wax's hybrid solution ceramic spray coating, okay? But before we do that, please hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel, please. And so today we are talking about Turtle Wax's hybrid solution ceramic spray coating, okay? We're talking about it because it acts like a ceramic coat. So for those of you that already know that ceramic coating a car, and if you don't know, it's pretty freaking expensive, all right? It can cost as much as $2,000, maybe higher, maybe lower, depending on how long you want it to last, but it's very expensive. And compared to this bottle, which cost $15, again, I am by no means sponsored by Turtle Wax. I bought this myself from Walmart. You know, compared to $15, hopefully we can get the same effect that $2,000 would get us. Now, will it last as long? This claims that it'll last for 12 months. I mean, so, you know, even if I have to spray it on for twice a year or 4 times a year, it only took like 30 minutes to apply it to my car. So I put the solution on the other day. So I washed the car, I dried it, and I sprayed the solution on, and then wiped the car down. What we're trying to test out today is whether or not it actually works. So yeah, this morning it rained really hard, and then it dried up, and then all of a sudden all this pollen started coming out because it's spring. Yeah, all this pollen stuck to the car, and it looks gross. And so what I'm hoping is that I take it to the car wash, spray it down with the high pressure hose, and that's all. Not using any soap, not using anything other than just water. Because hopefully if that ceramic coat's set right, then, you know, the pollen's sitting on top of that, and once I spray it all off, it just fall right off. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the car wash, spray the car down, hopefully all the pollen falls off, and then yeah, the car will look pretty clean. All right guys, so as you can see, the car right now is covered in pollen because it's starting to get warmer out. But what we're hoping is that if the ceramic wax works just like, you know, a ceramic coat, what will happen is whenever I take it to the wash and just spray it with only water, it'll come right off. Then we'll do a quick cold start for you guys. So yeah, you can see on here all the pollen on the rear deck lid, pollen on the back window. So yeah, car's completely covered in pollen, but I already wiped it down with the ceramic wax the other day, so it should, see, it's on the bumper too, it should just fall right off after I spray it. All right. We're at the car wash, and again, only going to be using water. So as you can see already, the water has like a sheeting or a beading effect from the ceramic wax. It's pretty cool. You can see it just fall right off. If you guys can't see it, here I'll kind of get closer up. You know, so as soon as I spray it on, you get that beading effect. And if you look, it actually looks pretty darn clean. Okay, we just sprayed it down with water. You can see how the water has that, the car has like a hydrophobic effect. because of the ceramic wax. It's actually really cool. And you can see the water's just gliding off the windshield. Yeah, as you can see, there's no pollen on the car, and a lot of the water already fell off. Yeah, and all the pollen that was collected on the back fell off. So yeah, looks pretty good. All right, so yeah, as you can see, the pollen fell right off. So all I had to do was spray it down with some water, you know, a high pressure water hose. It worked perfectly. So yeah, you saw that water beating effect. You saw how the water didn't stick to the car, it just fell right off. And yeah, there was no pollen, you know. So I think this is a pretty good product. Again, pretty good deal. Says it's supposed to last 12 months, and you know, we'll see. But even if I have to put it on twice a year, or heck, even 4 times a year, it's not that bad. It only takes maybe, to do the whole car, maybe 20-30 minutes, and to me, yeah, it's worth it. Anyways, please, if you like the video, like it down below, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode. All right, bye.